Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Adil Shahir. I hope you all are fine and live your life happily. And I hope you always spend your every moment of your life with gratitude. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we're talking about the happiness. Happiness is divided into three categories. First of all, your physical happiness. Second is your mental happiness, and on third one, your spiritual happiness. For success of your mental happiness, or to improve your mental happiness, you need to be a proper, regular, and on a daily basis drop your negative thinking, because a negative thinker always be a pessimistic, and he always think about the negative sides of everything. To be a mental happiness, you also need to drop your ego and your pride, because your ego and your pride is the main constituent to drop your mental happiness. Because for mental happiness, you need to drop your ego and pride, and you also need to drop your negative thinking. And the third one, you need to work to do for your mental happiness. To improve your mental happiness, you need to be a proper, regular, and do not be expectations from others. This is the third reason of your mental happiness, because we are expecting too much from others people. They are we just think and we just behave or just trust too much on other people, that they help us in every moment or in the every event of our life, but it's our just fiction. But in reality, no one without your parents loves you. Mostly in the world we are expected too much from others, and that is why this is the main reason or the first reason that why we are not successful as a mentally. Second one, physical happiness. For physical happiness, you need to improve your diet, because what you eat is matter a lot. And if you eat too much your sugar today, then it's possibly happen that when you are going to be older, you are not to be intake too much of and you have to not intake too much of your sugar then at that time when you are become too old, because a regular and proper and the healthy diet is important for your health and for your physical happiness. On the number two, you need a proper and daily exercises. Psychologists or physiologists, different doctors always says that in a week 3 to 4 hours of exercise is necessary to maintain health of your body in a long term. And you can always remember that you can divide it in 30 to 30 minutes every day, and always remember that the exercise you have to mostly you can take exercise or you can do exercise on the beginning of your day. Okay, after setting your prayer, you must go outside of your village or you must go into your park for a proper daily exercises. Okay, this is help for your proper happiness, and this is also helpful for your next success of your life. On the third one, you need a proper rest for your physical happiness, because human body is like a machine, and every machine in reality need a proper rest for their proper working in the daily activities. You need a proper rest for your daily activities of your life, because you are like a machine, and if you do not take a rest, you will definitely going down every years or every second or every day of your life. You must need a proper hours of sleeping. 6 to 8 hours of sleeping for an adult person is necessary to maintain their physical happiness. On number third is your spiritual happiness. For your spiritual happiness, you need to drop the compare of yourself with others, because every person in the world have a unique quality in his life or in his within. Okay, because it's a famous saying that this is possible, greatest is possible, but uniquest is not possible. Unique is unique in all third form, and the uniqueness is only uniqueness. You do not compare with yourself with others, because you have your own qualities, you have your own powers, and you have your own functions, or whatever you can say, that you have your own God blesses you with different kinds of blessings. Maybe you have some different kinds of qualities as compared to other people. Okay. On number 2, you need for your mental happiness to give someone poor. Spiritual happiness, you need to give someone poor, something poor to be divided, or to be in the way of Allah, because it is necessary. You maybe heard about the word of zakat or anfaq. You must always properly implemented these words or these things in your life to be as a Muslims, and you, for your spiritual happiness, you always give something in for the sake of Allah, for your end of time, for your grave, for the day of Domesday, and for the sake of Allah, for the blessings that the God blessed you with too much in this world. Okay, these three things you need in your life. First of all, physical happiness. Second is mental happiness, and third one is spiritual happiness. To be a successful, to be a happiness, to be a progressive, to be a motivated, to be a enthusiastic, you need all these things in a proper ways in your life. Stay blessed, stay inspired, stay motivated, stay healthy. बहुत शुक्रिया.